So it's May 7th. Oh, yeah, May 7th, 2012. Coming up to the Gillespie County law enforcement building, or law, whatever they call it, building. Coming up here because I want to see if I can get the police report from the day I got arrested for putting up Ron Paul stickers on public property. We're going to see if they're going to make this easy for me or they're going to make this really hard. So let's get in and let's have some fun, right? Yes, ma'am. I was arrested a couple days ago for putting up stickers, and I was wondering if I could get that police report. Or do I
have to go to the LEC?
The one on the other end of town? Okay.
To get the information on that.
Alright, is there anybody in particular like I talked to, or do I just come up to the lady at the desk?
She'll be able to help you.
Alright, thank you, man. You know what's funny is that they're all county. You know, it's all county. I'm gonna go to the other police station, and there's gonna be all county cops over there too. But yet they can't share the information. But they'll share information across districts and across county lines, and go ahead and violate that. You know, blur the whole lines of jurisdiction between federal and state. But yet I can't get the information I need. All right, we're gonna go to the next building and we're gonna have fun. So here we are at I think this one's called the LEC building, Law Enforcement Center. Future site of Fredericksburg future 97-man prison is gonna be right back there, where you see people that live right across from it. They get to see those inmates. They get to be housed right next to dangerous criminals. I mean, only in this town could you convince the people that more police is going to mean more safety and more security, when we all know all